Hey everybody, so I just wanted to give you guys an update as to where we're at with our baby room slash nursery. We've done a lot of things in the past few weeks and we've acquired more gear. Last weekend we actually had the in-laws and my parents over and they helped us to like clean out the closet and just get stuff ready for the baby. We've got a lot of things that have been done ever since. I changed out all the outlet covers and switch covers for the flush mount style ones, which I felt just on top of the fact that they look nicer. The standard style that I had before were white, but once I painted the walls like the pure white that I painted them, then the lid started to look kind of yellow. And I wasn't feeling that. I went with these. They're just a much brighter white. They look nicer. We've acquired a bunch of stuff that you guys probably saw, like a cube organizer video. We've got the crib. We've set up the crib like with the blanket and whatever it's gonna need so that it looks nice. So I'll just give you guys just a brief walk around the room so you see what it looks like, see where we're at, and just kind of get a feel for more or less what our layout is. There's still some stuff in the way. We're still definitely putting things away and organizing, but once I have the closet ready, that's definitely going to be a huge one. This closet is massive. This closet behind me and in front of me, I built it. It's a full massive built-in, and when we're done with it, we're gonna be able to like tuck everything away and completely out of sight and go back to like the perfect minimalism that this room had when I first built it. I love that style, but in order to maintain it, you need a lot of storage. So let me show you guys around and see what you think. All right, so just walking the room, you can see it's a little bit less than perfect right now. We got our cube organizer set up, looking nice. You can see my work bag here. There's a baby hamper right there, my work bag. Then off to the side here, we have a few things that, just necessities for the baby. There's various creams, lotions, and other things I believe that are necessary for the baby here. Here is a ton of clothes that still needs to be put away. We've got a kikaroo here that arrived today and I've not been able to open yet. I'll get around to that later. Here is our crib. We've got this sort of a little blanket that goes on here. Baby goes on top of it. I don't know if actually, come to think of it, if this will even stay there. You know, there's a lot of rules with like babies and blankets and stuff, so that's might just be temporary. So you can see we've got our Cubo AI monitor mounted there. We're not happy with the positioning of that. They don't just sell the other mounts separately. You have to buy this extra thing and it's expensive or whatever. I'm gonna end up just getting my 3D printer and making a mount to mount it directly to the crib, maybe over here off to the side. You know, we didn't get the one that came with the crib mount, and I guess we didn't know at the time we ordered it that it was a whole different thing, so it's kind of annoying, but it's okay. We'll get around that. So you see our animals that we hung up, our dresser that I built a while back. I've got the this is the UpABaby stroller and car seat. My friend Javier gave me that in my baby shower. Shout out to my boy Javi, my oldest friend. This is the white noise machine. It apparently helps the baby sleep. We've got a little decorative plant there. And then here is a diaper pail that is just for throwing away dirty diapers. It's a good thing to have. This is kind of what I was mentioning earlier. So as you can see, I have the flush mount lids here now, and they're whiter than the wall as opposed to the others that were slightly less white and ended up looking yellow by comparison. There's our famous accent wall and kind of the pièce de résistance of this room, kind of what gives it its vibe. Got a nice modern enough style fan. Everything's really nice here. You know, once I pick up some of these random elements that are creating clutter, it's going to be beautiful. Back to my minimalist paradise. I've got the leopard geckos here, another little decorative plant thing. Also got my closet, so both of these sides are going to be full of baby things. Only the center actually remains mine, my workspace. I work from home most of the time. If I open this closet, You can see it's pretty massive space in there. I've got to paint that little bit of wall that shows. Still got the accent wall color. Got baby hangers there. Taking a look inside this other one, we've got the bassinet that goes to our stroller and a whole bunch of other gear just tucked in here for now. I ordered these hangers from Amazon. They're going to be used to hang these closet rods up in here. I've got the Craig closet hole positioning jig, so I'm going to be using that to make some holes for adjusting the heights of shelves and closet rods, etc. But for now it's a little bit messy in here as well. Once we get that sorted out though, it should be pretty nice. This will most certainly end up being a very neat, spacious, minimalist nursery. You know, everything we need is going to be here, just stored away out of sight and in a nice organized fashion. Just to give you an idea, the OCD vibes are pretty strong up in here. Everything is in an organizer of some sort. These are like drawer dividers. See, we've slowly but surely gone in different categories of baby gear inside. These are still empty, so some of the clothes you guys saw are going to go in there, and these are just stacks of organizers that we'll use depending on what we need. But yeah, a bunch of that still needs to go into those drawers. Other than that, the room itself is, I would argue, 80% ready. It's always that last 20% that kills you. We've also gone ahead and made some updates to our bathroom. So this bathroom, we changed the hardware on these cabinet doors. I've got a new curtain rod. I've got a new towel rod. There used to be the kind of like metal frame with the glass here. I've eliminated that, and unfortunately there was no way to really remove that without damaging these tiles here, so they ended up out. For now the plan is to go by like a floor and decor type place and getting some kind of tile that's more or less similar, or if we're lucky we find the actual tile, replacing that, and then just putting up a curtain rod. Obviously if you have a frame with a glass there in the way, bathing a baby in this tub would be very difficult because it's intrusive, it's in the way. So we're just gonna go ahead and get that tile job done. We're probably gonna repaint the tub itself just to make it newer and nicer looking. It's not ultra bad, but it could be fresher. And that's pretty much all that's going on here as far as this bathroom goes, you know, other than hanging up some gear. But that is part of the baby home remodeling suite. And besides that, pretty much there's nothing else to update on. Once I get some more projects going in here and get some of these things done, I will definitely be sure to film it and let you guys know. That being said, I'd like to thank all of you guys for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, you like it, you want to see more like it, feel free to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified when we post up another one. And if you have any comments, any feedback, feel free to leave that in the comment section. And as always, thank you guys for watching.